Instagram is a great platform to use for promoting your next event, and if you need a striking poster to go along with it, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to show you how to design a professional event poster for Instagram using customizable templates from Snappa. This will be quick and easy, and no design experience is required. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to snappa.com and create a free account. On the homepage, you'll notice that Snappa has pre-sized templates for all of the top social media platforms. Since we're creating a poster for Instagram, I'll select Instagram Post, and later on in the tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly resize it for an Instagram story. Now I can scroll through and look for a design layout that'll be perfect for my event poster. All of Snappa's templates are fully customizable, so there's no need to worry if you can't find a template that matches the theme of your event. Just focus on finding a design layout that you like, because you'll be able to switch up the font, colors, images, and more. This template looks perfect, and I'll click on it to start designing. Now that our canvas is open, I'll begin by editing the text. I'm creating a poster for an upcoming costume party, so I'm going to double-click the text box and type in the title of my event. I'll also double-click the text box above it to list some of the amenities provided. In the toolbar on the left, I can change the size of my text, I can change the color of my text, and I can also change the font. Feel free to play around with the different text tools to customize it to your liking. I'm also going to add the location, date, and time of my event at the bottom. Next up, I'm going to swap out the background photo. If I click on the Backgrounds tab and select Photos, I can use the search bar to look for a specific image to use. Snappa's stock image library has millions of photos to choose from, and they're all royalty-free. All you have to do is click on an image to add it to your background. I'm going to click on a few different ones until I can find the perfect photo. This looks great. The costume is top-notch, and I can click on the Reposition button to drag the photo down a bit to show more of the headpiece. For the next step, I'm going to click on the Effects tab to darken the background image and increase the contrast. This adds a punch to the image, making my text more visible. So far, my event poster is looking great, but I want to add some finishing touches. I'm going to click on the Graphics tab, select Vectors, and I'll add some stars to my design. I can change the color using the toolbar on the left, and then I'll drag to resize and reposition, and I'll copy and paste to add another star to the other side of my design. Now, this event poster looks perfect. I'm going to click the pen icon at the top to rename my design, and then I'll save to avoid losing any progress. Then, I can download it as a Retina JPEG for the highest quality and best results. And now I can upload the image file right to Instagram. Here's a few different variations that I've created of my poster by just swapping out the background image. I now have a few options for promoting my upcoming event. Next up, I want to show you how to quickly resize this poster to use as an Instagram story. If I click the Resize button at the top, I can select Instagram Story Dimensions and open it as a new graphic. Snappa will automatically resize the poster and show me the safe zones. After making a few position adjustments, I can now promote my event through Instagram Stories. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.